Hey y'all, welcome back to Megan's Wreath Boutique. This is a little bit of a different video than what you're used to seeing, but I had to share this with you guys. I'm not sure whether to call these donut pancakes or pancake donuts, but either way, my kids love them and they're so fun to make. They're completely customizable. And here I'm using chocolate chips, but I've done marshmallows in the past, strawberries, blueberries, peanut butter chip, anything you can really think of that you like in pancakes, give it a try because, like I said, they're fun to customize and super easy to make. So I've already sprayed this pan, and here I'm adding just regular pancake mix on top of the chocolate chips. And then I'm gonna bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes on 350 degrees. And then you just pull them out of the oven and plop them out onto a cooling rack. I like to let mine cool off just for a little bit so they're not super hot when I'm trying to push them out of the pan. These pans are awesome. The pancake mix doesn't stick to them and they're super easy to clean. So if you give them a shot, let me know how they turn out for you. Thanks for watching.